Pedestrian deaths in the United States are increasing. In recent years, the number of pedestrian fatalities on American highways has risen, and this trend is continuing. According to a new Governor's Highway Safety Association (GHSA) report, pedestrian mortality reached a 40-year high in 2021 and were up around 5% over the same period in 2021 in the first half of 2022. It lists a number of causes, including the use of bigger cars that are more prone to hurt or kill pedestrians. The GHSA claims that fast-moving traffic is prioritized on roads over slower speeds that are safer for pedestrians. The group highlighted that there are often insufficient sidewalks, crosswalks, and lighting in many locations of the United States. Additionally, the pandemic's initial rise in risky driving has continued. The GHSA's Chief Executive Officer, Jonathan Adkins, stated in a news release issued by the organization that there is a pedestrian safety crisis on our roads, and it's only gotten worse since the start of the pandemic. A single fatality on the road is awful. However, the fact that motorists are claiming the lives of an average of 19 pedestrians every day is truly mind-boggling and tragic. Preliminary information from state highway safety offices serves as the basis for the GHSA's annual Spotlight on Highway Safety report. According to the GHSA, the surge is even more concerning than it was in 2019 before the pandemic. According to the GHSA, pedestrian mortality increased 18% between the first half of 2019 and 2022. According to the data, there were 1.04 pedestrian fatalities per 100,000 persons in 2022 compared to 0.9 per 100,000 in 2019. The results revealed that there were 168 more deaths in the first half of 2022 than in the same period in 2021. The only way to reverse this terrible trend is to do more of everything that works, Adkins said. This includes engaging more communities where the effects of this crisis are felt the most acutely, building more and better designed infrastructure to keep people walking safely, enforcing traffic safety laws equitably to stop dangerous driving, and stopping reckless driving. According to the GHSA, it is in favor of a solution built on the SAFE system methodology described in the National Roadway Safety Strategy of the U.S. Department of Transportation. According to GHSA, its components, safe road users, safe cars, safe speeds, safe roads, and post-crash care, offer a multi-layered safety net to shield both pedestrians and other road users. The reported growth carries on a 10-year trend. 2,141 pedestrian deaths were reported in the U.S. in the first half of 2013, down from 3,434 in the same period last year. That represents a 60% rise and over 1,300 extra fatalities. According to the American National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, there were approximately 43,000 more road fatalities in 2021 than there had been since 2005. In 24 states, the number of pedestrian deaths rose in the first half of 2017. 21 more states had declines. 4 states' totals remained constant. Data were not provided by Oklahoma. 38% of pedestrian deaths in the first half of 2022 occurred in California, Florida, and Texas, states with 28% of the nation's population. The GHSA observed that the states have warmer average temperatures, which may lead to more people walking, as well as a large number of urban areas where people are more likely to use the road with cars. The GHSA intends to release a second study this spring with state fatality forecasts for the entire year 2022, an examination of NHTSA data from 2021, and a summary of effective pedestrian crash and injury prevention measures.